Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change super admin on Zoho CRM. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to change your super admin in Zoho CRM, first thing you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in crm.zoho.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to your home page, and this is what the interface is going to look like. Previously, there used to be an icon in the top right such as the screwdriver. Now they have updated the features, so you need to click on this gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page, and under it you'll be able to see a list of options and the section as well. You need to head over to general section, and under it click on company details. Once you click on company detail, you'll be taken to the detail of your company or your profile page. In order to change super admin in Zoho CRM, first of all you have to be a super admin, only then you'll be able to make changes. So once you're on this page, you need to click on this pencil icon just next to your company name. As you click on it, a pop-up will appear right in center, and now you need to click on this employee count, and after that you need to select the member that you want to add it as a super admin. And once you do this, click on save, and then a reminder, as soon as you change the super admin, after that you'll no longer hold any power or control over this, and now you've lost your possession. So that is how you can change your super admin on Zoho CRM. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.